Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all will be fine. Today we have the third video of June. Today our topic is the June task. First, I would like to tell you that you must have to collect the June task from the school. Those students who haven't received this June task till now, they must go and receive the June task, because you have to attempt these questions in your classwork notebook. So you must have to collect the June task. Okay, your first question of the June task is writing a story on the given moral. Honesty is the best policy. So I am going to tell you how to write a story. This is the pattern of the story. First, you have to write the name of the story or the title. Then you have to write a story based on the moral honesty is the best policy. In grammar books, in English grammar book, you can find this story based on this moral. But the most common and popular story is the woodcutter and an angel. Is this that story which is based on the moral honesty is the best policy. Here I have given you a sketch which you can also follow. A poor woodcutter having an iron axe, falling off an axe into the river. An angel appeared, gave gold axe, again dived into the river, gave a silver axe. Third time the angel taken out an iron axe. Now I am summarizing the story. Once upon a time, there was a poor woodcutter. He had an iron axe, which was the only source of his income. One day, when he was sitting in a tree to cut a branch of a tree near the river, that suddenly his axe fell into the river. He was very disappointed and he was crying because it was the only source of his income. When he was crying, suddenly an angel appeared from the river and he asked him why he was crying. Then he told the reason. The angel dived into the water and took out a gold axe. The woodcutter refused to take it. Then the angel again dived into the river and got out the silver axe. The woodcutter again refused to take it. Then the angel third time dived and he brought out an iron axe. The woodcutter, by seeing it, was very delighted. He took the iron axe from the angel. The angel was very pleased with his honesty, so he gave the other two axes as a reward to the woodcutter. This was the end of the story, and its moral is honesty is the best policy. So you can easily search out this story and you can write it in your notebook. If you couldn't find it, so you can also write down from the key points which I have given to you. You can write this story easily. Now your second question is on the book exercise. The second question of the task is write true or false. Question number 2 is based on the unit true false. When you will read the unit on page 14, you can easily write down, you can easily attempt this question. So you can easily attempt this question from the page 14. Third question is of make sentences of the given words. The first word is blind. Blind, a person who is unable to see. Blind is an adjective, so you can easily use this word. Okay. First word is blind. Blind means a person who is unable to see. My uncle is blind man. I saw a blind man on the road. A blind man was crossing the road with the help of white stick. Second word is family. Family, it's the noun. My family is going abroad. My family is going on world tour. He belongs to a respectable family. There are so many sentences which you can make very easily. The third word is milk. Milk is also a noun of a liquid. Milk is very good for health. Milk is, I like to drink cold milk. I like to drink milkshake. So you can easily make the sentences. The next word is leaves. The tree is full of green leaves. The old man is collecting the leaves from the ground. So you can easily make so many sentences. The next word is fifth. So the fifth word is little. Little means a thing which is in less quantity. So you can say that there is a little water in the jug. I pour a little tea in the cup. There is a little distance between our house and school. So you can easily make such kind of sentences. The next word is hair. I like to dye my hair. I like to dye my hair in different colors. He likes to have golden hair, etc. The seventh word is pink. Pink is a color which is also adjective. She loves to wear the pink dress. I gave a pink pencil to my friend. I gave a pink color to this wall, etc. The fourth question is add the second syllable to make a word. In the task, they have given you words, different words with which you will add the second syllable. As example, I have given you here key and plastic. So the other word is keyboard. I have solved this question for you people. The first word is plus, so you can add the tick. Plastic. Key, so keyboard. Danger. Tractor. Farmer. Farther, you can also write this word. Then farmer. Bucket. Buckle is also possible. Saucer. Seabed, seashore. These kind of words are possible. The next question is comprehension passage. Comprehension passage, when you will get the task from the school, you will see that your fifth question is comprehension passage. So you can solve this question very easily because you will read the passage thoroughly and all the answers are given in the passage which you have to give by your own. It means you can write your own answer but taken from the passage. I hope you would have understood. Thank you, class. God bless you and stay safe. Goodbye.